This is an access hatch in the stern of the boat, and I just managed to remove it. And inside there you can't really see a lot, but what's funny is that's one of the drains for the hull back there. What's funny is all the way back behind that hatch was this big long bag. It probably hasn't seen the light of day for years. And now we're going to open this bag together for the first time in who knows how long. Let's just see. Sorry about moving the camera so much. Let's see what's in there. Here we go. Actually, I may have to set the camera like this for just a minute. Put this over here. Here we go. Survey says, well, it's well, what is it? It is four rods for something. Who knows what? And anything else? Yes. Ooh, lordy. Something with a lot of rust, which I'm pouring outside here. Now let's see what is in the mystery bag. I'll put this like this again. Hold this under here. Oh, wrong way. I'll put this like this. Hold this under here. And what comes out is oh, these are tent stakes. Okay, so this must have been part of a tent at one time. Interesting. So Jimmy, if you've been missing a tent for several years, I found it. That's all.